Honorable Director of this prestigious institute, members of the governing body, all dear fellow teachers of this institute, honorable members of peer team committee, and the guardian with the peer team committee. First time they have signed the guardian also, so we are lucky that we have seen a person with us, IQAC coordinator of this institute, and all the stakeholders. So NAC is a very defined mechanism for each and every activity. So this exit meeting, we have to speak very less. This is the formal handing over the reports. For last 2 days, we have seen each and everything of the institute, and we have shared report also with the IQAC director and the director of the institute. And we have landed with some concrete suggestions. So this report is a piece of paper which is going to help you a lot in years to come when you start your journey for next level. Till this report is accepted by the executive committee of the NAC, this is confidential. This copy is with the directors. Director, he can see this report and he can start his working right now, but he cannot share the findings of this report. NAC is well defined, as you all are aware, is 7 defined criteria. And we are really, when received this request to visit this institute, we are not in position to react, because why this institution is so early going for NAC accreditation. Because being a technical institution, they have no requirement to go for NAC. Still, they are interested to grow this institution as one of the excellent centers in the country. So as far as the different criteria is concerned, if you talk about the curriculum development and all that, so being an affiliate college, there's always limitation. But still the teachers are doing very good. They are giving this opportunity to the students to learn some new topics, new skills with the help of over and out the syllabus. And what we have suggested, though the responsibility given to you to just follow the syllabus, but you are doing good, still you are expecting, looking to the local leads of your local industries, you can have some over and out courses, syllabus, certificate courses, and Skill India programs to increase the employability of the graduates. So this particular, we can say, criteria is very good as far as the institution is concerned. Next comes the infrastructure, teaching and learning. So basically this institute is as a teaching and learning institute. Each and every teacher is involved very much in the teaching and learning. And as far as the infrastructure is concerned, state-of-art infrastructure is provided by the institute for the teaching and learning. Then comes the research and innovations. So this is the next level expected from you people, because this institution is no more young institute. This is now grown institute, and there is a need to have initiation different directions, to have good research culture for innovation and innovation. At the same time, consultancy and revenue generation. At the same time, IPR and other activities. As far as management concerned, this is a unique institute, and we have visited some minority institutions, but this is unique in its nature. And this uniqueness you have to maintain. The responsibility on all the shoulders of all of you. Though this is Muslim minority institution, but the real spirit of this country, the inclusiveness is visible here, and I pray Almighty, this institute must be a role model for this country. As far as the management concerned, this is proactive. In real sense, this is a philanthropic institute, and everybody is contributing. They have some zeal to work for the profession, for the society, and this is really translated. And most of the institutions of this organization, I could understand, are schools and other institutions, but this is going to be one of the best technical center of the state, as well as the best institute of the Anjaneya Islam Institute. As far as the research publication is concerned, there are certain initiations, but this strengthening is required. What I am expecting from all of us, all of you, to come forward, take the responsibility, because there is a good mix of extraordinary activities, at the same time certain areas untouched. The report will be there. You will read this, you will go through with this report. This is factual, and because it is agreed by your director and IQ chairman also. And I think if you are following this particular report as a roadmap, you will achieve everything. Few of the observations, recommendations we have made, like research culture, we have to initiate, senior faculty is required, and all other recommendations are there. So with these recommendations, I'm wishing a great success for you, this institute, at the same time, a great successful career ahead to one and all. And for last 2 days we are here, and we are really happy. Each and every teacher and stakeholder, even the non-teaching staff, supporting staff, is so enthusiastically participating in this activity as they were receiving some marriage ceremony. So thank goes to one and all. And at times we have requested for certain documents, information, so we may be some harsh. So I believe you will not take it otherwise. And even if there is any instance on behalf of the team, I apologize for any conduct which is not, we can say, acceptable for you. But our intentions were very pious. We want to understand good practices, we want to understand the gray areas, and we are interested to give a factual picture before you and decide a path for the future to achieve the excellence. With these words, हम लोग अब 1 साल तो नहीं आ पाएंगे, ये हमारा बैरियर है, लेकिन उसके बाद मैं जरूर आता रहूँगा। और वो कहते हैं मैं अब हो के बुला लो जब चाहो, मैं वो गया वक्त नहीं जो लौट के आता नहीं, मैं आता रहूँगा, लेकिन 1 साल नहीं आऊँगा। और आप लोग क्या जो एक वास्तव में जो उर्दू की तहजीब देखने मिली, आपके जो प्ले देखने मिले, बच्चों के बीच में तहजीब देखने मिली, और वास्तव में जो उर्दू का जो अंदाज़ देखने मिला है, और भी मुखर दुनिया में बहुत अच्छे, तो कहते हैं कि गालिब का है अंदाज़ भाई, और तो यहाँ एक अलग अंदाज हमने आपको देखा, हम बहुत खुश होते जा रहे हैं और ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करेंगे, भगवान से प्रार्थना करेंगे कि इस इंस्टीट्यूशन को बहुत ऊंचाइयों पर लेके जाएं, और आप सभी भी अपने अपने क्षेत्र में बहुत अच्छा काम करके अपने परिवार का, समाज का, उस इंस्टीट्यूट का नाम रोशन करेंगे। मेरी शुभकामनाएं, पुनः धन्यवाद।